What's up, guys? Flying Falcon here. Today we are playing Booga Booga, and today we are joined by a very, very special guest, a friend of mine for a long time. She's Big Summer. Like, so basically, he's a tribe leader of the Green Tribe, and I have this sick helmet that I have to go through a lot to get to. And this is Mr. Shelly. I tamed him myself. He's got a big statue on him, and I like him a lot. He's Shelly. So that's Shelly, and somewhere over here is Mr. Sharky. Someone lost Mr. Sharky 2.0. There was another Sharky. So I think, oh, there's Cheesecake Savage. Hello. Ha 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 ha. He's making reinforcements. So this is Mr. Sharky. I tamed him myself. No one's making saddles, so I have to do all the dirty work here. Well, everyone gets to sit back and relax. So guys, we are just going to be expanding and more. So guys, I'm going to help Cheesecake Savage build another outer layer to this base. So I'll see you when we do. So guys, someone invading. I see them in my watchtower. I was watching from my watchtower, and I see there he is. There's Blue. Oh, he's got a shark. He's got a Mr. Sharky. Go away. Yeah, go away. Right now, I am literally starving. So we're gonna go in the base. We're gonna put this fire on. Is that
Everybody. Tell
Yeah.
me if you can hear this.
I think you can hear it.
That was
Let's
That was Grace.
Grace made the big trumpet. If you didn't know, Grace is my sister, my beloved sister. She will be doing her own YouTube channel soon. So make sure, because she's my sister. No. But make sure to check out her channel in 15 years' time. No, seriously. Yep. So, guys, we are going to be expanding the base. I don't know what to do. So, Chief, what are we going to do?
Nothing. I am going to kill some
Animal cruelty! Animal cruelty! So, guys, we just lost a big battle. So guys, we just lost a big, big, big battle. I know I said that already, but we lost a huge battle that determines who's stronger. Uh, yep. So this thing was glitching in. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm dead. Okay, bye, guys. Bye, guys. I'll see you when I'm safe. I'm safe. Oh, God. No, Shelly, no! Shelly, no! 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 Don't, Shelly, no! Shelly's not dead yet. No, no, no. So guys, Shelly died. My pet, the pet snail died. This happened in the first 3 minutes. Alright, alright. Haha, 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 haha. I thought you would have had something good on you, but yet you had it wrong. So guys, Cheesecake Savage joined a different server. I'm just, wow. How does one recover from that? We're all sad about Shelly's descent. Of course he's not. He's sad about the base. So guys, we're going to be finding a new location to build my base. Cause like, Wow, because that base is destroyed. There's this one guy that keeps on trapping me and trying to kill me. So we're going to be picking a random location. I have no idea where because not. Oh, apparently my tribe is disbanded. I know what to do. Make green tribe happen again. Make, come on, come on. Okay, this isn't working. We need green. Green tribe. Come on, no. Why do people love yellow? What is there a mimic with the color yellow? Cheesecake Savage, say it, so. Well, nothing now because it's gone. But I'm actually pretty sad about Shelly. I loved her. Oh my god, Shelly. I love shells. Shelly. Well, you're right. They are pixels. I'm gonna see if I can. Stop it. Stop it. So guys, while I was gone, I joined a different server. I think you know that. Yep. Okay. Cheesecake Savage is gone. He's done his channel. No, no. Whoa, no. Purple Man. Literally. Have my snail. Have my snail, please. I don't want it. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Okay. Yeah, no, not you. Okay. I invite you. Yes, you invite me. So guys, I'm trying to get the other team to invite me. It's like, they're not letting me. I've already killed me once. I want to see if I can make a saddle. I want a shark. So guys, this video has been death, death, and death. But guys, we all know who's the most important one that's played this game. For once you're right. No, I'm just joking. It was Shelly. Shelly doesn't suck. And why is that? Okay. Hello again. Whoopee cushion. I want. Can you join me? Yeah. Oh, okay. Why have you been doing this? Well, guys, this isn't good. Good at all. If I die one more time, this episode's gonna be called Death. No, I'm just joking. It's gonna be called Snalliy. Snails, 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 snails. Now you can tame animals. What? Oh, yeah. I'm gonna have to end the video sometime shortly. Next death, I'll end the video. I'm not gonna pause it. I need to end. I need to survive. Okay. Okay, so guys, wait. There's. I'm going to try before I end this video. I'm gonna try get these lemons. So I'm going to try and get this. It's just sitting here. Can I get them? Exactly. I the first time I tried snake, it's eating me. Well, it won't let me. No, come back. Come back. They're not mine. I spelled mine wrong. And I'm dead. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. Even though I've been doing everything but failing, am I correct? So please like and subscribe to Cheesecake Savage and the Fun Chocolate. Yeah. And I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.